The poem "I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud" by William Wordsworth captures a moment of joy and connection with nature. The speaker begins by describing themselves as wandering alone, like a drifting cloud. Their mood changes when they came across a field of golden daffodils by a lake, stretching endlessly and swaying as if they are dancing. This scene fills the speaker with awe and happiness, though they do not fully realize its significance at the time. Later, in moments of solitude, the memory of daffodils brings comfort and joy, lifting their spirits and inner life. The poem emphasizes the power of nature to bring lasting peace and inspiration. William Wordsworth's "I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud" is a classic romantic poem that highlights how nature can heal and uplift the human spirit. It explores themes like loneliness, the power of memories, and the deep bond between people and natural world. This poem celebrates how nature has the ability to bring peace and joy. Wordsworth believed that nature provides inspiration, comfort, and a sense of renewal. "I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud" by William Wordsworth is a poem that encourages us to appreciate the beauty of nature. William Wordsworth, one of the most famous poets of the Romantic era, uses this positive and inspiring poem to show us how nature can bring joy. The poem focuses on the connection between human emotions and the natural world. It describes how loneliness transforms into happiness when the speaker comes across a vibrant field of golden daffodils. In the poem, the speaker compares himself to a lonely cloud, feeling isolated and detached from the world. However, he eventually finds joy in the sense of connection through nature's beauty. The lake reflects the natural world and acts as a mirror of daffodils. It highlights how the beauty of nature can uplift the human spirit and leave a lasting impression on our hearts and minds.